Today we're at 5526 North 5th Lane in Phoenix, Arizona, right in the heart of Central Phoenix and La Colonia. We have manicured lush grounds, as you can see, lots of visitor parking, a community pool right out here beyond this vined area for some privacy. Our unit at 5526 has its own 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,643 square feet livable inside. The grounds are maintained and the front yard by the association. We are visiting a HUD property today, a HUD REO. The unit has lots of open space and beamed wood ceilings in this family room with a nice wood-burning fireplace. Passing through into the kitchen area, dining room. We have granite countertops, stainless stove and microwave. There's lots of closets throughout the house. This is the guest bath. With a little bit of work and some TLC, this really could be once again a beautiful place in an extremely good location. Highly sought after central corridor, walk-in closet in the 2nd bedroom. And this is the master. Mirrored closet doors. And its own 3/4 bath in here. Large tub. The MLS number is 6064136 for this property with all the potential in the world. And hope you come and see it.